everybody, my name is MacKenzie, independent living advocate here at CORD.
Hello everyone, I'm Lorice, transition coordinator with CORD. Winter is coming, are you prepared? Let's put a plan together by discussing the questions below with your family, friends, or household to start your emergency plan. How will I receive emergency alerts and warnings? For example, make sure notifications on your phone is turned on. What is my shelter plan? Where are the local emergency shelters and are they accessible? Do I have an emergency preparedness kit? For example, canned goods, change of clothes, toiletries, batteries, or flashlight? What is my evacuation route? Leave the area through the nearest exit and come up with a designated area to meet up.
In addition to what Lorice said, you should consider specific needs in your household. As you prepare, tailor your plans and supplies to your specific daily living needs and responsibilities. Discuss your needs and responsibilities and how people in the network can assist each other with communication, care of children, pets, or specific needs, like operating medical equipment. Create your own personal network for specific areas where you need assistance. Keep in mind some of these factors when developing your plan. Different ages of members within your household, responsibilities for assisting others, locations frequently visited such as pharmacies and doctor's offices, dietary needs, medical needs including prescriptions and equipment, disabilities or access and functional needs including devices and equipment, languages spoken, pets or service animals, and households with school-aged children. For more information on emergency preparedness, call CORD at 508-775-8300
Or visit us at www.cordcapecod.org.